Okay, let's try question 9, geometry. It's a little bit more challenging. Let's try maybe the first 3 questions. We'll see how it goes. In the sketch, ED is the diameter of the circle straight across. The center is O. ED is produced to C. It goes way out here. The line goes straight out to C. And CA is a tangent to the circle at B. This is a tangent line, CA. That's important. AO intersects BE at F. Okay, right there. And here's a big one. BD is parallel to AF. We're going to use that quite a bit. Okay, let's just start off here. The first question, write down with reasons 3 other angles which equal X. Okay, the first one I went with is B4 here is X. This is a tangent. This is an angle between a tangent and a chord. If this is X, B4 is X, because the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in this alternate part of the triangle here up at the top, X. Now B2 must be X because these two are radii. Angles opposite equal radii, so B2 is X. All right. And then here's one. I just didn't see it at first. It's so funny. I've been looking at this stuff for so long. But it's not so hard at all. You see, these are 2 parallel lines, and B4 and A are in the corners of kind of a backwards F here. They're corresponding angles, so they have to be equal because the 2 lines are parallel. That's all there is to it. Now it says, determine with reasons angles C, B, E, all of this stuff across here, determine it in terms of X. Okay, well, let's just give it a try. We know that B2 is X. We know B4 is X. Hey, but we know that angle EBD is all 90 degrees. Well, if this is all 90 degrees because of angles on a semicircle, this little part here must be 90, 90, take away X. It must be 90 minus X. So B3 is 90 minus X, because we know B2 is X. We've proven it already. Well, now we can just add all this up. The minus X and the X kind of would cancel each other, because we want to know this whole thing across here. So X plus 90 minus X, this is 90 degrees, plus X. We're looking at it. CBE is 90 plus X, because we know this part's 40. 90 plus X. And there we go. We've got that. CBE is 90 plus X. Let's just do the last 9.2.3. Prove with reasons that F is the midpoint of BE. Well, I started off, I know that F1 has to be 90 degrees. We know that angle EBD is 90 degrees. These are parallel lines, so co-interior angles gives me that F1 is 90 degrees. But that would make this a perpendicular line going through to the center. And we know what perpendicular lines to the center do. They bisect the chord. They make EF and BF equal, a perpendicular line from the center. Well, that would make F the midpoint of EB, what we were supposed to show. If EF equals FB, F is the midpoint of EB. And there you go, 9.1, 9.1, all the way to 9.2.3. Or so. Anyways, 3 questions.